went to LA, at that point, it sort of reset me in terms of wanting to leave. And on some level, I felt at that time that I had some type of obligation to PFM. I think my views are a little different now than they were at that time. So I went there, I said, hey, I have to be here for a bit. They moved me out here. And
how have your views changed? What do you mean by that? Like now you would just jump?
Yeah. Now I wouldn't put that into context whatsoever, unless I was legally bound to stay there.
Is that because you're more cynical now, or tell me why?
Yeah, I think you used the perfect word. I would say that I am more cynical now than I was at that point in time. I still never want to burn a bridge, ruin a relationship. The world that I live in, the world of sports and entertainment, is very ancestral.